Hello, Todd Clem with Globe Food Equipment talking about our SP5 5-quart mixer. This is a truly commercial grade mixer that we designed from the ground up to be very powerful. The power plant in this is a 800 watt DC motor. That's about 2 to 2.5 times the industry standard. Because of that, we can do a full 4-pound dough ball at a 50% absorption ratio when the industry standard is only about 2 to 2.5 pounds. Anytime you have a DC motor, you're going to develop a lot of heat in the DC motor controller circuit. You've got to get that heat out of there. We have an exclusive design with 2 ventilation ports on the side and a ventilation port in the back. This creates a vortex of air to pull the hot air out and bring cool air back in. That's what helps us develop the full 4-pound dough ball. It also has 10 fixed speeds. The bowl guard is Lexan plastic with a built-in ingredient chute. We hold the bowl securely with 2 clamps on the side. One of the keys to our design is a heavier gauge stainless steel, but it also has a fully roll-formed top. That creates a lot of strength so that this bowl has no give whatsoever. This allows us in our design to have the tools fit right up against the edge of the bowl all the way to the bottom. You get a perfect mix to the edge, perfect mix to the bottom. You don't have to stop in the middle and use a spatula to scrape away on the sides. This mixer has 3 tools: a batter beater, a wire whip, and a dough hook, all of which are stainless steel, not aluminum. For information on this or any Globe product, please visit our website at www.globefoodequip.com.